So in today's lecture, I will be doing variation of parameter problem y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to e raised to power of x. And I have done more problems on variation of parameter. You can check the previous videos. Okay. Now this is y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to e raised to x, e raised to power of x. Okay. Let us solve this. So the the characteristic polynomial is what? Directly I am doing, okay? R square. Okay, I'll do this properly. Characteristic polynomial, okay, this P of R is equal to 0. So I will do now R square minus 2R minus 1 is equal to 0. What I'm going to get is R minus 1 into R minus 1 is equal to 0. So what I'm going to get is R is equal to 1 comma 1. So how I'm going to write my general solution? Y of x is equal to c1 e raised to power of x plus c2 x e raised to power of x, right? Correct, no? Next, what I am going to do is I have to find the Wronskian. For that, I need to find out what is my phi 1 first. My phi 1 is nothing but e raised to power of x. Phi 2 is nothing but x e raised to power of x. What is my phi 1 dash is equal to e raised to power of x? What is my phi 2 dash is equal to? If it is with respect to x first, derivative I have to find out. So it will be e raised to power of x plus x e raised to power of x. Next, what I am going to find is the Wronskian. Wronskian phi 1, phi 2 is equal to what? Now this is e raised to power of x, e raised to power of x, right? Both the side. Now here it will be x e raised to power of x. Here it will be e raised to power of x plus x e raised to power of x. So let us find the Wronskian first. E raised to power of x. So what I have to do is this into this minus this. Okay. So it's like this basically. So e raised to power of x into e raised to power of x plus x e raised to power of x minus x e raised to power of 2x. So this is nothing but e raised to power of 2x plus x e raised to power of 2x minus x e raised to power of 2x. So what is going to happen over here is these two terms will get cancelled, this and this. And what will remain? E raised to power of 2x. So I'll cancel this term. This term get cancelled. What remains? E raised to power of 2x. This is my Wronskian. Okay. Next, I'll turn the page. Now what we need is, see, now we have found the Wronskian. Now what we want from, these are the formulas, okay, these are the formulas. So we need to find out this, but for this we need u1, u2, but to find u1 we need Wronskian. So we know what is a phi 2 and what is b. So let us find u1 and u2 now, okay. So this is, using this formula I am going to find my u1, and using this formula I will be finding my u2 now. And this is the final after we get u1 and u2, okay. So let us find out what is this. u1 is equal to, what it is, u1 is equal to minus integral of phi 2. What is my phi 2? E raised to power of x, e raised to power of x, right? And what is my b? See, this is my phi 2, x e raised to power of x, and my b is this, e raised to power of x. This is my b. So let me write down. So my b is nothing but e raised to power of x upon Wronskian. What Wronskian I got? E raised to power of 2x. So e raised to power of 2x. Now this is equal to what? Minus integral of x e raised to power of 2x upon e raised to power of 2x, right? Now this will get cancelled. So what will remain? Minus x. So minus the integral of x is what? With respect to x, no, it is. So x square upon 2. So this is my u1. Now I have to find my u2. What is my u2? So u2 is equal to integral of, what is my phi 1 e raised to power of x into e raised to power of x. This is my b upon Wronskian is e raised to power of 2x. So here it is what? Integral of e raised to power of 2x upon e raised to power of 2x. So this will get cancelled and the integration is with, now 1 will remain, right? Integral of 1 will remain, and this is with respect to dx, right? So what I am going to get is nothing but x. This is my u2. So I have found out my u1 and u2 now. Substituting u1 and u2 values in this, okay? So what is my u1? My u1 is nothing but minus x square upon 2. What is my phi 1? E raised to power of x plus what is my u2 x? What is my phi 2? X e raised to power of x, right? So what I am going to get is, so minus x square upon 2 into e raised to power of x plus x square e raised to power of x. Now e raised to power of x is common, no? Same. So how I am going to write this as, finally I am going to write it as, this is equal to x square e raised to power of x upon 2. This is my phi p. Okay, I'll write it on the next page also, so that, so what I wrote over there, so what is my, this is equal to x square e raised to power of x. Finally I'm going to get this, right? Therefore in the first general equation we wrote like this, y of x is equal to, writing that c1 e raised to power of x plus c2 e raised to power of x, no? c2x e raised to power of minus x plus whatever you got, psi of b, x square e raised to power of x upon 2. Formula we have used, I'll write it here, okay, somewhere here up. So here I have used c1 phi 1 plus c2 phi 2 plus psi of b, this, and then I have solved it, okay? Whatever I got, I wrote it down. I hope you all understood this problem. If you all have not understood, you all can comment. So I'll end up my lecture here. This is the end of the problem, okay? So I'll be solving more problems also. Thank you very much.